Hey, how you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Ready coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Taiwan. These are by Kung Fu Noodles. This is premium goose oil with crispy shallot flakes noodles. Yes, sounds brilliant. I think it sounds quite brilliant. It looks like we cook it for 5 minutes. So, how's everyone doing today? Good, I hope. So these noodles were sent to me by the company out of Taiwan. Here's the noodle block. These are definitely dried noodles. Dry noodles. Dropping it in the boil for 5 minutes. And here are assorted sachets. I believe this is a shallot oil, perhaps. Goose oil. And our crispy fried shallot. So how are you? I finished doing the last review and I promptly got a piece of chicken stuck in my throat and almost choked to death, but I stopped and didn't. Other than that, things are grand. A little bit windy. We may be joined by our friend, the illustrator Matthew, the writer about science fiction and serial killers. Could be interesting. He's purchased a new motor vehicle. I believe he's very happy about that. These noodles are cooking, so let's quickly go to our quote of the day from Momofuku Ando, inventor of the instant noodle. Quote number 6 read as Kermit the Frog.
I like the politician who has just. I like the politician who has lost an election, as he parks himself in his constituency and listens to what the citizens have to.
It's very odd to do Kermit the Frog. Maybe I should do Ernie as in Burton Ernie.
I like the politician who has lost an election, as he parks himself in his constituency and listens to what the citizens have to say. He then comes to feel the pain in other people's hearts. When he wins back the seat, you can see that he has become a man of higher caliber.
Actually, he doesn't always win back the seat, nor should he. We're going to add an interesting ingredient to this day's feast.
Oh, the kitchen.
Hello.
Hello, Papa.
Oh, hi, Miles.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Hello.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
Oh, I don't know.
My name is Miles.
Oh, hi. Hi, Miles. How are you?
Good.
Oh, excellent.
I'm playing with my food trumpet. See?
Are you enjoying your time?
Yes.
Excellent.
We will have to strain the noodles when it comes time for that.
Let's try the ramen layer.
Pardon?
I have to spread that ramen layer.
The ramen raider? What's that?
The ramen layer, Ernie. That's because
Ernie?
me.
Oh, I think you have me mistaken with somebody else.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not Ernie. I'm Kermit.
Why your hat?
Oh, I don't know. I've got a lot of bills.
Noodles?
Puppeteers aren't cheap.
Noodles? What's noodles?
No, bills, not noodles. I don't know what I'd do with a noodle.
That's way too spicy.
Oh, I don't. Oh, yeah, it might be. Today's review will be joined
Way too spicy.
with this mullet roe. It is like in the same way caviar is. It's from Taiwan. It's Taiwanese.
What's Taiwan?
The most wonderful place in the entirety of the universe. Because Taiwan #1. And they know it. Alright. Enough of this tomfoolery. Tut tut. Alright, here we go. That was my British accent episode. You may find it on all your platforms as you wish, but the British accent is over, and I don't know that it was a very good one. Sometimes I gotta do something different, you know? Like this hat, for example. It's way too warm even to wear this hat. It's a ridiculous thing. I've even heard people from Russia. Hi, Russians. How you doing? I miss you guys. From Kenmore, from the U.S. with love. Yeah, when the Russians come calling, they're always saying, "From Russia with love," over and over and over and over. I'm sorry, but they're nice. We might not agree in politics, or we might. I've never had political discussion with anybody from Russia, but I will say they are very nice folks. At least on YouTube. Whoa, it's spinning out of control. Thick Taiwanese dry noodle. Yeah, it smells like a scallion noodle. Smells good. That's good. You will not hear me saying that's not good. Now, let's see about this, because my question is this crisp? Is this something that should just go right in and get a stir or not? This belongs on top. Okay. All right. You know what that music means? No? Well, nor should you. I don't know. I really like this. This actually reminds me of an album that makes me think of Russia too. There was a band called Space, and they were really popular in Russia in the early 80s. And they were like French New Wave, and they did a lot of stuff like this. And the lead singer would do stuff like this all the time. Well, you know what time it is now. Now you know what that music means.
note. Possibly as of this time tomorrow, we will have a whole new setup for doing, what do you call it? The audio for the show. It's very possible that that was all going to change really quick. But enough of that. Let's do it. Gotta do me an egg.
Why did he eat that to himself an egg? Let's see.
Look at that. A little bit of tweeting going on right there. It's so fresh. Fried onion. Mullet Roe Caviar, ladies and gentlemen. Interesting. Magic spoon. Oh wow. A close up of that. That's rich. Wow. I think I like it. I think I do. Maybe a little pepper flake. Where we be? Wow. I tell you, that mullet roe stuff, boy, that is rich. I feel like I ate $1 million right there. That's so rich. Wow. Well, Rotato, do your thing. As you can hear, that's the speaker going beep, beep, beep. Well, I've got a USB thing coming. I've got another speaker. And I think I'm going to run it all from another phone. And I think it's all going to be different from here on out. So yeah. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thanks to the fine folks over at Kung Fu Noodles. I'm still just kind of blown away by that Mullet Roe Caviar. Wow. Totally different. Wow. Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Ooh, bye-bye.